Welcome back with another guide. Today I am going to tell how you can root your Huawei Mate 10 Pro. So it is very basic guide. I'm going to tell first of all we should follow up PC files on website where we will discuss more detail easily, and it will be simple steps and basic steps I'm gonna share with you. First of all, I would like to describe one thing that I have no any physical device that I'm going to tutorial or make a tutorial video basic for physically. Okay, here I'm not seeing any guidelines. However, Mate 10 Pro. Okay, we can search for Mate. Oh, okay, let's see. Will it search something? Okay, however, Mate 80 Pro. This is our guide today. I am going to tell from basic to advanced all the steps I have discussed here for you. Okay, here everything, every step you need to do, you need to do yourself at your own risk because this is a functional device and you should do very carefully at your own risk. So I would like to let you the benefits and risk. Remove all boot bloatware files. It is the first benefit. Flash custom ROM. Another benefit. Block air system wide. That is another benefit. Third one. Okay. Fourth is the full data backup tool. Performance tweak. Root only powers app. Okay. What are the risks? If you do that, your device will be at the risk. So you should be worry before doing anything. Warranty void, if your device has a warranty and you need to claim your device any time, and if you plan to root the Huawei Mate 80 Pro, then keep in mind that your device warranty will be no more. Okay, another risk is data wipes on unlock. Banking app fail, wrong file equal to break. Okay, OT update break. Security risk rise. So that are the benefit and risk I shared with you. To understand, first thing you need to know that you should have fully backup before starting. Unlocking the bootloader wipes or data save contacts, photos, and files into your PC or Google Drive. I recommend my audience that you should send your data to the Google Drive or any website where you can easily recover after completing the route. Okay, the thing you should have before starting the root. Windows PC. Windows is support Windows 10 or 11 64-bit. Another tool you should have ADB plus Fastboot. Another tool USB Tower and Magisk APK you can get from the GitHub. Here you can see the link I have mentioned. Okay, here you can see, and you can download yourself very easily. Here is the one of the best, which a lot of people are getting the benefits, things easy to understand, that is very simple. You can download and useful links, installation instructions, building and development, just documentations, and this model temple bug report. Only bug report from the bug build will be accepted. Okay, here is the license. So you should not be worried about the license at all. Okay, stock from here, and you should use only original USB cable better than local cables. You can get the original cable from the smartphone box. So that's all I think. Another step you can follow up yourself. That's all for now. We'll meet on another video. Thanks for watching.